package leader of work package 2, which is one of the technical work packages and tries to come up with tools, with methods to evaluate the sediment transport and the role of sediment transport in the abiotic side as a basic information which is used then for the ecosystem services, but also for management practices in order to improve the situation that is not satisfactory at the moment in terms of practical management of sediments. For example, sediment continuity is very important, but how to do that, how to overcome obstacles for the sediments is not clear. What is the cost of this? What is the implication of this? And since I come from the University of Natural Resources and Life Sciences, we have a very big focus on measures and ideas that try to bridge the gap, if you wish, or make a bridge actually between usages of rivers, for example, for hydropower, but also for the preservation or restoration of rivers in their original functionality.